Alright, we're out here in an undisclosed location in South Dakota. Doing a little bit of prairie dogging. I'll show you the setup. There's our truck. It's windy as heck. It's blowing sideways here. We got our truck. This one's gonna get set up for shooting. Cooker. Little area to stay out. Good old Cabela's tent over there. The hangout area. And some shooting positions. We're looking out to about 1,000 or 1,200 yards right here comfortably. All Prairie Dog City. Well, let's see what's cooking. Get boiling some water for mac and cheese. Woo! Some brats. And this, of course, is the usual. You gonna let us come by or what? Oh, you're gonna crap at me. Hey, little guy.
Want to come home with us?
A little salt for you today. I hear your moo and I raise you another moo. Now that's a good view. There, got a late start. Got the skillet going in here. What you cutting up over here, Pop?
Some corned beef.
Oh yeah. I made this a few days ago. Smoked it for 13 hours. I got a brine for about 6 days.
Yeah, and we've been holding off on eating it because we know it's going to be awesome. We had steaks the other night that we cooked when we got back to the hotel, right out on their sidewalk, and they were awesome. Can't beat them Costco ribeyes.
No, pretty good.
How you
Chuck wagon action.
How you liking that camp shift, John Paul?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You've had that for a little while, holding up pretty good.
Yeah, year 4 or 5, I think I've been using this thing, and I use it a lot. It's actually become like my primary grill at home, just because my other one's falling apart. So I'm lazy and just grab this one. Of course, all the camping trips and coming out here to the prairie, it gets a lot of use. But I really like that I can grill things and cook things at the same time. It's nice. Anyway,
Later.
bye. All right, the corned beef skillet's ready. Oh, yes. See the steel target down there at 150 yards. Hitting it with subsonic 22s. That's a hit.
That's a hit.
That's a hit.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, well, we're out here just having fun and getting a little bored, so we've got a small silhouette target about this wide down at 150 yards. Gonna see how fast I can hit it with 3 rapid rounds with our custom Remington rifle here. Let's do it. Alright. And beep. I'll take the win. $150 is a little too easy, so we have another steel set up at 1,200. Let's see if I can hit that one twice in a row. The wind's settled down. Let's give it a shot. It's a 30-inch plate, so it shouldn't be too bad. All right, here we go. And sending. Looks like impact. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Just a few antelope. Suspicious of this vehicle. More little moose. Sing me the song of your people. No? You're done? So this wraps up this year's prairie dogging out here in South Dakota. Had quite the view here to enjoy. Fortunately, can't get very good footage of those long distance shots, so I can at least show you where we went and kind of what it looks like. It's pretty gorgeous out here. Prairie Dog City.